I'm spending money like I just got paid. $100 bills, tell them keep the change. Come on.
How we doing, Good Vibe Tribe? Matt Alexander from EnjoyTheJourney.today here with my main man, Left Tongue Willie, Wilson Flynn, and we are excited to announce the Good Vibe Tribe Caravan is taking off again. We had an awesome time going from San Diego to the Teton Valley Gathering, but we are excited this go-round to announce the Taos Vanlife Gathering. We're going to be going through the Rocky Mountains, going to be hitting a live free concert on the lake, the Adventure Van Expo, and hike Mount Elbert, a 14,000 foot and the tallest mountain in all of Colorado. So if you're interested in joining the Good Vibe Tribe Caravan, signups are now available on my website at enjoythejourney.today/Good Vibe Tribe Caravan. Until next time, enjoy your journey, my friends.